Well, whenever I see a cyber gray Corvette, it just really takes my attention. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. And this 2011 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 2LT Coupe has just 5,644 miles on it. Beautiful car, low miles, it's been well cared for. As I said, cyber gray on the exterior, has that ebony interior and a beautiful glass top. Under the hood, a 435 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Features include the $1,195 2LT Preferred Equipment Group, reminding you this includes Bluetooth package, dual power sports seats with airbags. It has the CD stereo with front input. It has the Grand Sport package, Z06 sized wheels, tires, brakes, wider fenders and quarter panels, Z06 style rear spoiler and front splitter. It has the Z06 style front bumper, performance axle ratio, beautiful chrome wheels, HID headlights, fog lamps, keyless entry and start, dual zone electronic climate control, has that CD-XM MP3 stereo with the front input, as we said, electric rear hatch pull down, power windows, power locks, of course everything's power on the car, tilt, cruise control, ABS traction control, active handling. Best of all, it comes with a clean Carfax. And this 11 Corvette shows just 5,644 miles. It's in very nice condition. Car's paint is very good, great shine. Glass top is in good condition as well. The interior of this car, as you can see, looks really nice. Hey, now if you want to see more detailed pictures and see the pricing on this car, click the link right down below this video. Take you all those extra details. But very nice, very, very nice interior. Factory leather seats, center console, door panels, and an excellent steering wheel as well. Now, additions to this car include a Borla axle back performance exhaust, full width flush mount body color rear spoiler, and it has those WeatherTech front mats. We hope to hear from you really soon. We're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We ship nationwide every week, and we make buying online something you can do with ease and confidence. Hope to hear from you soon. Buyavette.net.